Here's how to add your LinkedIn profile link to your resume. First of all, you need to open your resume or CV. Adding your LinkedIn profile is a good idea because it contains useful information. So go to LinkedIn, open a web browser on your computer and go to linkedin.com, log into your specific account and go to your profile. Simply select your profile picture and you'll be taken to your profile page. Now you need to find your public profile URL. On the right side, you'll get the option of public profile and URL. Go ahead and select the link over here. Right click on it and select copy. Now open your resume. Choose where you want to add the hyperlink. Right click on it and there you'll get the option of hyperlink. Go ahead and tap on that. Go to the address bar and simply paste the link that you just copied. Then tap on OK. Now when you hold the control key and click on the link, it should take you to your LinkedIn profile. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.